Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. While direct, real-time syncing isn't natively supported, there are effective workarounds. We'll cover manual export and import methods, which are great for one-time transfers. Then, we'll explore reliable third-party applications that offer continuous, two-way synchronization. This will help you keep all your important events organized across both platforms effortlessly. First, let's get your events out of Outlook. Open your Outlook application and head over to the Calendar section. Choose the specific calendar you want to sync. Look for the option to save or export your calendar, usually as an iCal file. Remember to select the date range for the events you need, ensuring you capture everything important. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, if you love reading, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's bring those events into Google Calendar. Open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. In the settings, find the Import and Export section. This is where you'll upload the iCal file you just saved from Outlook. Once uploaded, Google Calendar will process the file and add all your events, making them visible in your schedule. For a more automated approach, consider third-party synchronization tools. Many applications are specifically designed to bridge Outlook and Google Calendars, offering continuous, two-way syncing. This means changes in one calendar automatically update the other. Always research the tool's features, user reviews, and security protocols to ensure your data remains safe and private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.